Hello guys, welcome to the next lecture on how to integrate Redis with Spring Data. As we all know, databases are always hosted on a server, and to connect with the server we need some clients. A client is which specifically sends a request to server and server responds for that particular request with a specific response. Now in order to connect with Redis database we need some clients, and we can find the listing of those clients on the redis.io clients page. And in this tutorial we're going to talk about the specific client for Java, that is Redis. Now what is Redis, guys? Redis is small, light and extremely fast client library in Java for Redis. Now it is also supported by Spring Data, and implementation using is Redis is very simple. You just have to configure 3 steps and you can use Redis straightforward. Now Redis is not thread safe. Thread safety means if there are multiple threads executing on a single shared resource, then there may be chance of data inconsistency. So for that we use Redis pool. Redis pool object is thread safe, means if there are multiple requests then we will always have some data consistency. We're not gonna face data inconsistency. Now it is configurable. As Redis pool, there are a number of connections, and a pool is a set of ready to use resources. So let's say there are a number of requests comes, then it will fetch the resources from its pool, execute those requests, and after performing the operations it will store those pool objects directly into the pool. So it is all these things are managed by Redis pool, but we can configure them by ourselves. Now Redis pool improves performance as it provides lot of connections, and it also get rid of open and closing of those connections, so it improves overall performance for our application. Now thank you, that's all about the Redis pool. Thank you guys, see you in the next lecture.